Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make banana bites wrapped with bacon. So we need bacon and then bananas and toothpick also. Okay. Okay. We're not going to eat. Eat a bacon. And then we're gonna wrap this banana like this. Okay. Ako na kuanan og butter ang pan, or you can kuan also oil if you want oil. Grease, I grease that already. This one. Then toothpick. Okay. It's done, our banana bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, it's time to bake this one. 280 degrees for 50 minutes. Okay. Okay. That's our banana bites wrapped with bacon. Banana bites wrapped with bacon is done. Look at that one. It's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys. So look at that one, guys. It's super yummy. I think I just taste the smallest one so that it's not super hot, guys. Okay. So this is it. Taste the small one. Because I have there's a little bacon, so I use the little bacon also to the small banana. Yummy. It's yummy, guys. It's not super sweet because the bacon is kanang nanay timpla ang bacon, mao na lamis siya. So it's good for appetizer and snacks. So this is our banana bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, it's done. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.